Hi guys! Hello and mabuhay! Welcome back to my channel, Junris React. How are you all guys? I hope you're doing well and amazing. And for today's video reaction, let's travel to one of our favorite country, which is Japan. Ohayo gozaimasu, arigato gozaimasu to our Japanese friends. And I'm so excited with this amazing video. And yeah, we supported with this amazing artist, rock band all the way from Japan. The title of the song that we need to do some reaction for today is I Was King, performed by One Ok Rock, an official video from Orchestra Japan Tour. Sorry about it. And credit also with the owner of the video, of course, the artist itself, the band, One Ok Rock. I'll put on the description box below so that you can connect also with the owner of the video and watch the full video, since we have to make some few cuts of it for the video reaction purposes and commentaries. Let's get to it and enjoy with this amazing artist. And please do consider like, share, and subscribe also with my channel, Junris React, and be part of our member that you can see in the description box below. Let's get to it. Have fun with this performance of One Ok Rock, I Was King.
You're a superhero.
Wow. Love the lighting. This effects so amazing. Oh my god. I love the introduction. Seriously? This drum man. My god, he's very talented. Oh yeah. Taka! Oh my goodness. Oh my god. The introduction of it. Like, as he sang, as those band, as those like a drummer, as he hits those like different level of those drum part, it's really incredible and amazing. Like, it gives you goosebumps. And the way how Taka also sang as the introduction is so high pitched, but it's so beautiful tone that it's so rock. And I know that this concert and this song was meaningful. I Was King, and this is incredible and amazing of performance. His voice is like crazy amazing. Bravo. Good. Whole orchestra. Oh my goodness. Oh my. This is what I really like with Taka, because when he sang song, there's always been like English and Nihongo language that he just putting into it that make it so wonderful, and like you will enjoy listening to it, because you can sing also because of the language that he just putting to the Japanese and to all the English speakers and to all the person who knows English and can sing with this song. And this is an incredible song also. It's so meaningful. He just sang it so wonderfully. Those like he just enjoying in the stage. Those like backup singers of his team, the One Ok Rock band, was incredibly. They just synchronizes together, and those orchestra. The more it makes so wonderful with the performance because of this level of performance of Taka and One Ok Rock. It's beyond phenomenal. Wow. Wow. Wow.
I'm holding on tight. Something to live for. Make it right now. It's your name. When I was scared, I was scared. We had everything. When I was scared,
Wow.
I was scared.
Oh my God.
I was scared.
Whew, that's really phenomenal. Watching the drum beat, watching his performance, his emotion, the facial expression he did with this performance, so amazing. And I really like this huge orchestra thing that make it more of his performance so beautiful to watch. And this is how you do it. This is music, and this is like even that his like genre is rock, but still he just give a performance that people will enjoy and love and can sing with him. And yeah, and that's perfection. Oh, bravo, Taka and one Okirak. Wow. Wow.
If we go down, I will go down fighting. I'll go down, down like lightning. I
Those,
was
those pitch, very high. Those were amazing pitch that he gave. I was king, and I know that he can reach more high pitches. Taka is such an amazing, nice vocal that he did, and so wonderful to watch and to listen with his performance because he really give you something that's so poetic and that's so dramatic and meaningful. A meaningful song every performances that he did because Taka is such like an incredible artist that he will give something so great of his songs and his arrangements. Those beautiful melody that he just did is like beyond, and this is crazy phenomenal. Bravo.
Let me hear you, Osaka! When am I gonna start living? When am I gonna move on? Sing it! When am I gonna cure this feeling?
Wow, love the beat.
When I was scared, I was scared.
Wow.
When I was scared,
God.
we had I was scared.
Wow. He is truly a king. He is such an incredible and phenomenal artist. This is such an amazing performance also. This is what I truly love with Taka because the way he just connected with his audience is like people knows his song and he just performed it so lovely to watch, and because of his emotion and compassions towards the song that he just performed, it's really amazing to watch. And I hope guys you enjoyed watching with this one because I enjoyed it so much. And thank you, Taka, for your talent, to One Ok Rock team, and to this amazing like concert. Those orchestra is so huge. That's I'm enjoying the way they just complemented with the music, and that's wonderful. If you have some comments and suggestions for my next video reaction to any One Ok Rock or any Taka performances or any artist from Japan, just put in the comment section. I would love to read and respond with you all. And please do consider like, share, and subscribe also with my channel. Junris Real can be part of our member that you can see at the description box below. And you can help this channel by sending your super thanks that you can see in here. Thank you so much. Arigato gozaimasu. Ohayo gozaimasu to our Japanese friends. Mabuhay kayong lahat. God bless and see you in my next video reaction. Bye-bye guys.